This 5-minute blueberry salad is a delicious appetizer salad for a barbecue or summer lunch idea. The sweet blueberries with tomatoes, creamy burrata cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic has all the sweet and savory notes. We recently went fresh blueberry picking and we got these delicious sweet blueberries, so the first thing I wanted to do was figure out how to make a delicious summer salad with them. So all you really need is some fresh chopped lettuce, the fresh blueberries, tomatoes, burrata cheese, or you could use mozzarella cheese, olive oil, balsamic, basil, and some dressing stuff like garlic powder. I'll show you how to put the whole recipe together in the recent post at sipbitego.com. Just look for the summer blueberry salad. I just want to point out that I love using this balsamic glaze. I think balsamic glaze is really good for this, but if you only have balsamic vinegar at home, you could use that too. All you need it for really is at the end, a delicious little drizzle goes right on top of that creamy burrata cheese, so you have that balsamic, and it just tastes so good with the fresh summer berries. I love making dishes that are using seasonal ingredients, and this one is so good. Doesn't that look delicious? Altogether, this recipe only takes 5 minutes to make. Print out the directions at sipbitego.com. Well, if you learned something new, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube for more delicious and easy recipes. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!